Masayang ibinahagi ni Dayan Castillejo sa kanyang Instagram ang birthday celebration ng GAP President na si Cynthia Carrion. Makikitang nandoon ang mga kaibigan ni Cynthia and of course, ang two-time gold winner sa Olympics na si Carlos Yulo. Narito ang naging mensahe ni Dayan kasama mga video na kung saan ay pinakita rin ni Carlos ang kanyang pagiging makulit. Ayon kay Dayan, what a lovely birthday celebration for the one and only Cynthia Carrion last night at Manila House. All her family and close friends in attendance to celebrate the woman she is. Cynthia looks so beautiful. Her dear friends, husband Jerry Rollins, family, her aerobics group, old classmates, and many more gave heartfelt messages, including her BFF, Gloria Arroyo. Carlos Yulo did a quick dance. Girlfriend Chloe sang. Derek Ramsey also in the house, a double gold medal celebration Cynthia deserved.
What's your wish for Cynthia on her birthday?
Healthy ko talaga.
Cool na cool si Dr. siya.
Long life. Marami pa po siyang matutulungan kagaya ko po. Marami mga bata pa siyang i-inspire na katulad ko. Gago. Na ganito yung narating ko. From zero to meron.
And now, let's go to the next song.
Nuestro amor.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay. Thank you so much to our hands. On every word you say. Oh, there is no pardon. No. Every hour of the day. But in your eyes, it is gone every night and every day.
Happy birthday, Cynthia! Happy
Next up,
birthday,
for the seventh dance, her beloved brother, Mr. Christopher Carrion.
Happy birthday,
Bro.
Cynthia! We love you!
Carlos, pakitaan mo, paano yun?
TikTok pala ito.
Nahulog yung tubig. Wala na putol yung tubig. Sige, okay. Such a
Makikita sa post ni Dayan Castillejo ang ilang video at pati na rin ang pagkanta nga ni Chloe kasama si Cynthia Carrion.